Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the concept of seeing people's location. Imagine a world where you instantly know the precise whereabouts of anyone, anywhere. This extraordinary ability would fundamentally alter our understanding of privacy and connection. We'll explore the fascinating implications, from enhanced safety to profound ethical challenges, and consider how such a power might reshape society as we know it. Get ready to dive into a truly thought-provoking scenario. Picture a visual interface, perhaps a subtle overlay on your vision, displaying real-time location data. This could manifest as glowing markers or precise GPS coordinates, accurate to within a few inches. Imagine a range extending for hundreds of miles, allowing you to track movements across vast distances. You might even filter this information, focusing on specific individuals or groups, or perhaps seeing everyone within a 5-mile radius. It's a powerful, almost omniscient perspective. The potential benefits are truly remarkable. Emergency services could locate individuals in distress within mere seconds, drastically improving response times. Think about finding a lost child or an elderly person who has wandered off. The anxiety would be dramatically reduced. For large-scale events, coordinating thousands of people would become seamless. Even simple tasks, like finding a friend in a crowded venue or locating a misplaced item, would be effortlessly resolved with this incredible insight. However, this power comes with significant ethical considerations. The fundamental right to privacy would be profoundly challenged, as anonymity could become a thing of the past. The potential for misuse, from constant surveillance to unwanted tracking, is immense. We would need robust societal frameworks and strict regulations to prevent abuse and ensure individual autonomy. Balancing the immense benefits with the critical need for personal space would be one of humanity's greatest challenges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.